Here's the Makihara cordless buffer and polisher. It does come with two different handle options. You can put a single handle right there on the side, or you can put this one here. Comes with the Allen wrench to attach it. This is the different buffing pads and polishers that it has here. I really do like the fact that it comes with two of these 21 volt, 3 amp lithium batteries and the charger with it. That's really awesome. It does come with a storage bag. I really like that too. So that way you can keep everything together. Okay, I'm going to see what this polisher buffer here can do with this scratch here. You can see it's running right along here. So I put on the side handle here. You could use it with just this piece here like this, or you could use the U-shape handle that I showed you earlier. I'm going to check it out with this one first. I'm going to start with the wavy pad, trying to get that scratch out. Goes on really nice and easy to this Velcro here. Just push it right on. Just going to put some rubbing compound here on. I started off on a low speed here of just the 1,000 RPMs. You can easily switch that to 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 4,600, 5,200 RPMs is the highest it goes. See how it did. And as you can see, that scratch is pretty much completely gone. I can't even see it anymore. And with the battery in it, easily just sits right down on the ground, so you don't have to lay it down, get it dirty or anything like that. I really like that as well. Well, if you're looking for a buffer or polisher, really like this one. It only weighs about 4.5 pounds. You could easily use it. I like the options that it has with the handle here, or even that U-shaped handle that it comes with. Has a lot of different speeds to it. You can do it for 1,000 RPMs up to 5,200 RPMs. I like that it has two batteries and the charger included and a nice carrying bag. It works very well, as you can see. So if you're just looking to put some wax on your vehicle, maybe buff out some scratches, you can even use this on furniture for polishing it. One of the other things I like is this feels like it's very well made. It doesn't feel cheap. It's got a good weight to it, about 4.5 pounds. Feels solid, feels good in the hands. I like that it's got this little rubber coating on here. Everything just fits and feels right with it. So I'm very happy with it.